Hello YouTube, welcome back. My name is Nigel and I bring you finance information daily. If that interests you, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and hit that thumbs up so that you get all of the amazing information that we post. Now, I just want to say, make sure that you leave a comment when you watch these videos, even if it's nothing but, hey, you guys are the stars of the show. Let us know that you're in here. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into today's video. Today, we are talking about credit card denials. And this can be a rough topic because just like any other denial we may get, when we face them, we don't want to talk about them. We want to hide away from them. And we don't understand what happened. And we get frustrated. And we just don't know what to do. However, credit card denials are amazing because they almost deny you with a resume. So, this is a lovely credit card denial letter for a person who, as you guys can see here, has a 754 FICO score. A 754 FICO. Let me let you guys see that again. 754 FICO. So you may say, how do you get a denial letter with a 754 FICO? Well, this is why I say credit card denial letters come with a resume. And they're so amazingly brutally honest, I guess. Brutally honest. So let's look at them. If you read here, it says lack of recent revolving account information, too many recent inquiries in the past 12 months, and length of accounts have been established. Length of time the accounts have been established. So when we're looking here, we're looking at this. The great thing about a credit card denial is we can look at it and say, okay, lack of recent revolving account information. That means that my credit cards or my revolving accounts, my line of credit, whatever it is that I have that's revolving, either I don't have anything revolving or I have something revolving and it's been revolving with a zero balance. So remember, if you consistently keep a zero balance on a credit account, that credit account will not report a payment every month. It's just going to report that it's still in good standings. It's an open account in good standings. So sometimes certain creditors want to see that not only do you have open accounts in good standings, but that you're also utilizing those accounts, because they're wondering, why would you be applying for more credit if you're not utilizing the credit you already have? So take that into consideration. The next thing is too many recent inquiries within the past 12 months. I've talked about this so many times on this channel. You do not want to have a lot of recent inquiries on your report because it deems you a credit seeker. And a credit seeker is basically a term for people who just go out and grab any piece of credit that they can get. You know, it's like the crab at the bottom of the bucket, just getting whatever they can get. Give me credit here, give me credit there. I want this, I want that. And that is what a credit seeker is. So you never want to be deemed a credit seeker, because if you're deemed a credit seeker, it makes it extremely hard to get new credit. The next thing, the length of time accounts have been established. So if you have accounts, like I always say, give them some age, at least 3 months, you know, a minimum to wait. I say preferably, if you can, 6 months to a year, you want to wait in between credit cards so that your applications are spaced out enough. And when your applications are spaced out enough, then you're able to now in turn start applying, and you're not going to look like a credit seeker, as well as you're going to have some age to kind of hold up your credit profile. You know, what are some other common denial reasons, you may ask? You know, you may also be denied for high utilization. You know, banks don't want to see that you're overutilizing your credit that you currently have, because if you're overutilizing your current credit, then that means you're in some type of financial crisis, and they don't want to be a victim of that. So if you have high utilization, make sure you're paying it down before you apply for a card. You know, lack of credit mix, or lack of experience with credit, as it's called sometimes. You want to make sure that you have different types of accounts. So maybe you get an installment loan or a secured loan, even if it's something small. You know, just get something else on that report to show that you have some type of credit mix. Another one is collections accounts and derogatory marks. Maybe you want to dispute them. Maybe you found inaccuracies. Maybe you need to, you know, do a pay to delete or a settle delete. Maybe you need to settle that account out, or, you know, pay it off to get it off of your report. You know, when you get denied for a credit card, you have to take your denial resume seriously, because if I just take this and, you know, throw it out, and, you know, when I throw it out, I just forget about it, and then I go back and I apply again, I'm going to get denied, and again and again and again. And then what that's going to do is it's going to give me more and more inquiries, which is going to ding my score even more and make it even harder for me to get approved, you know, and make me be deemed a credit seeker. So definitely take your time, sit back, make sure that you're prepared and taking into consideration everything that's on that denial letter, and that you're trying to fix it. With that being said, one last thing, make sure that you guys answer the question of the day on the way out. What credit product have you been denied for? With that being said, thank you all for watching, and please stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Leave this video a thumbs up, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.